These are the elevators at Airport Plaza. Here's the upper level. Unfortunately, I cannot start the video downstairs because there's security. Look at this. It's a sideways mounted AS. I've never seen one of those before. There's your Thyssenkrupp call button. Okay, good, we got this one. Never mind. Interesting seal alarm we got here. And I guess you don't work. Apparently there's a some Mercom pole. These are US elevators. Get the quick cab view. Still got its original cab. Watch the numbers going down. And when we hit the bottom, I'm cutting camera. Alright, that's it.